How to video the full moon using Canon R5, lens 20 for -105 millimeters.
The following slides provides the technical information to get a sharper focus of the full moon. Note the shutter speed, aperture, and ISO settings.
The following slides show the mistakes made in the settings of the present video. The outcome is an overexposed full moon.
Updates are at blog https://2010vets.blogspot.com/2025/02/4451 Videography Tips Full Moon Camera.html. The following video was made with incorrect camera settings as detailed in earlier slides. Hence the moon is overexposed.
12
This
February
video shows the importance of
2025,
correct camera
4:21
settings and
AM,
videography of the
Lentor
moon.
Plane, Singapore. Today is the 15th day of the Chinese New Year, the Chap Gomeh. The moon is full and very bright. So I don't know whether this video will show the details of this moon.
One great mistake
because
is the
I'm
use
using
of
a
auto ISO settings,
camera
resulting
is
in
not
overexposure of the moon.
good enough
The
for
shutter
moon
speed
shots.
and aperture were also incorrect.
It is Canon
The outcome is a
R5
poor video of the full moon. We learn from
24
mistakes.
to 105 mm lens, and I'm using a tripod and set the video mode using 1/4000 seconds, focus 4.0, ISO auto, and exposure compensation -3. According to this video, the moon is extremely bright, even at 1/4000 seconds. f4.0 is necessary to widen the aperture. I reduced it to -3 exposure compensation so that it will be less bright. And the ISO is auto. I think that's about the limit of these settings in this camera. The lens is not long enough. It's 105
Incorrect
mm.
settings. Never use auto ISO in moon videography,
Normally,
as the moon will be
moon photography, you
overexposed.
need longer lenses, at least I would say 400 mm. So let's see how it comes out. Today is Chap Gomeh, the 15th day of the Chinese New Year, the last day, and this is the start of the new Lunar New Year.
Thank you for watching this educational
On
video. The 15th of February
Wednesday, 12 February
2025, Dr. David Singh Kong
2025,
Yuan, 659-668-6468,
4:23
99pups@gmail.com. Other educational videos at
sky.
www.youtube.com/c/99pups.
Clouds coming over the moon. I shall stop now.